So the user interface of Blender is pretty good. Well, at least since 2.8, it's been pretty good. But I think there's a bit of room for improvement here. I think, if we made it a bit more sort of classic, a bit more like Windows XP. This is peak Blender interface performance. This is unbeatable. I think I'm definitely gonna be running this as my main setup for Blender, my main theme setup, whatever. This is it. I think the best part about this theme is probably the add-ons interface, the add-ons panel. It just looks so much better. It looks so XP-like. It's just such an improvement of course, it's just perfect. I mean, every part of this theme is perfect. Especially like these. Oh, look at the nodes. They're perfect looking, aren't they? Yeah. I think this should be added as like an official theme. If you go to edit preferences, it comes with a bunch of official ones that are built in. This XP theme should be built in because it should probably be set to be the default theme. Actually, thinking about it, just because look at it. Everyone when it's their first time using Blender would love to be greeted by this instead of the ugly theme that is currently the default theme. So if you want Blender to look this beautiful on your computer, it's very easy to do. So let me just disable the theme real quick. So to turn your Blender interface from this ugly piece of garbage to a beautiful Windows XP theme, all you have to do is go to this post on blenderartists.org. I'll put a link to it, and you just need to download this XML file, and you can just go up here, download, and it's obviously filled with viruses, so download it anyway, and then open up Blender again, and go to the Themes tab in Preferences, and just click Install, and just select xp.xml. And there you go, it's done. You have got a beautiful Blender interface in just 3 clicks. This is peak Blender, you can't get better than this.